Chewing is a huge part of teething, and picking appropriate chews is important. Different chews will be appropriate at different stages of life. Always avoid cooked bones throughout their whole life, as they can splinter and cause intestinal blockage and also break teeth. Raw bones are heavily debated, but are safer than cooked bones, and you as an owner have to understand the pros and cons before offering. For a young pup teething, they are likely to be too hard. Avoid rawhide, as it's a choking hazard and it's not really particularly healthy. And that also applies to sticks made specifically for dental care, as many of those are just packed full of calories with absolutely no nutritional benefit. Things like cow's ears, natural chew sticks and jerky are nice to offer, but always monitor your dog when chewing, especially when you are offering something new. The teething process can be a painful one for both pup and you, as they often nip and bite or chew anything during this stage to get some relief. In fact, thinking around that point, it's one of the common times that people start to feel that perhaps having a puppy wasn't the right thing for them, as they never think this cycle is going to end. It is. This is a natural phase. They are going to do these things, and you just need to bear with them and try and help them through this process. So the puppy teeth, also known as the primary teeth, are razor sharp, and there are 28 in total. Over approximately 6 to 9 months, they will lose these teeth and get their adult teeth, also known as secondary teeth. As adults, they will have 42 teeth in total. The teething process begins from 2 weeks of age, when the primary teeth begin to erupt, and the first teeth are usually seen at around 3 to 4 weeks. All 28 primary teeth are normally present at around 8 weeks of age. At any time from around 3 months of age, those primary teeth will begin to fall out, and you may see loose teeth or ones that have fallen out, but often your puppy will just swallow the teeth they lose, and that is normal. You will notice the front teeth, canines and incisors, to go first, and the back teeth, premolars, will be the final ones to fall out. Somewhere between 6 to 9 months, all of those 42 adult teeth are in, and hopefully the chewing has decreased. Apart from the constant chewing and potential biting, symptoms your puppy is teething can include drooling, red inflamed gums, poor appetite, a little blood in their mouth, an offensive smell to their breath. They may be quieter than normal and seem fed up. Some puppies can develop diarrhea and may also have some vomiting. So when do you need to see a vet, and how can you help your teething pup? So most puppies cope really well with the teething process. Some can really struggle. Things like smelly breath can indicate infection, especially if they have an associated fever. That's why it's so good for you to be able to take your dog's temperature, and it's something you're going to learn in chapter 2. I think like some of the other important things to think about is if they're having vomiting and diarrhea, is it actually associated to the teething process, or is it in fact something else? The bottom line is that puppies can go downhill really, really quickly. If they're having vomiting and diarrhea and perhaps not eating, then things like dehydration and hypoglycemia can kick in really quickly. So we want to get a vet visit for those guys quickly. Distraction is key to helping a teething puppy to prevent destruction of items within your home and take their mind off the discomfort associated, and also stop them from nipping you. Offer a variety of puppy-safe chew toys. You can even freeze toys, as the cold will help with inflammation inside the mouth. Keep a close watch with fabric-based toys that they are not swallowing material and stuffing, as it could lead to a blockage. Toys such as a Kong that allow you to add a couple of treats are good, as it keeps them busy. Peanut butter is a common item to add and is safe in small amounts from around 8 weeks of age. Again, just make sure it doesn't upset their tummy. And make sure it doesn't contain the toxic sugar alternative xylitol, or choose a dog peanut butter.